So for this triangle, yes, it's a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. We have two sides, and we are finding the third one. We're finding a missing side. If you take a look at the formula that we already had written here, it says a squared and b squared, those are the legs, equals c squared. Did they give us the legs, or did they give us a hypotenuse? Legs. These are the two legs. So what we have here, I don't care which one's A, which one's B. It is entirely up to you. Some people like to say the little one is A and the big one is B. Some people like to do the one on the left is A, the one on the right is B. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Legs are legs. So I'm just going to say this is 8 squared plus 6 squared equals, and we don't know the hypotenuse, so I'm going to leave it as c squared. If I add these up then, 8 squared would be 64, plus 6 squared would be 36, equals c squared. Add these together, please. 64 plus 36, what does that make? Makes an even 100. Very good. Here's the part where I need you to pay very close attention, because this is where a lot of people make mistakes. This is not your final answer. A lot of people stop here and they say, I did it. I squared them, I added them, it's 100, fantastic, the end. No. Right now you have 100 equals c squared. I don't want c squared, I want c. Does anyone know what the opposite of squared is? If I'm trying to solve for c, there is an opposite, like the opposite of adding is subtracting. The opposite of squared would be, there you go. Not dividing, that would be multiplying. Multiplying and dividing. Armand?
Cube.
Cubing would be to the third power instead of second. That's similar, but it's not opposite. I want the opposite. Emily? Square root. The opposite of squared is square root. So here's what you do. We're going to write in a square root on both sides. Square root cancels squared. So now I have c all by itself. And we know that the square root of 100 is 10. Now, we normally write plus or minus 10, but negative 10 would not make any sense. We're talking about a distance, right? A length. You're not going to measure something and have it say, oh, it's negative 10 centimeters. Doesn't make any sense. So we are only going to leave it as a positive number for this,